Hello friends, I am Rupali Katyaramal. Today is my special day because today is my birthday. It's 27 September and I would like to give my small introduction to you as this is the first YouTube video of my channel. I'm born and brought up in Amravati, and after completing my engineering I came to Pune. I worked in IT industry for almost 11 years, but due to some family commitment and as you know the priority changes in your life, so I quit my job in 2016, and after that I was completely focusing on my home. So meanwhile, I explored my knowledge into different sectors like stock market and cooking and interior designing or home decor and fitness and healthy lifestyle. When I was doing this, I came to know that whatever I am doing, that I can share it with the people so that they will also get benefit from it. So that's the way I'm launching this YouTube channel today. So this is the small introduction of mine, and now I will tell you what is my channel name. My channel name is Follow Your Inner Voice. As the name itself indicates what it is. You just need to follow your inner voice. Be it anything, be it a fitness, be it a hobby, be it any dream. So whatever it could be, but you just need to listen your inner voice, what it says to you. You just need to continuously listen to it and you just follow it. Once you start following it, I'm sure you can do it. So on similar topic, I am sharing my inner voice to you today in my first video. That was 2 years back when that small inner voice, I heard it from inside my brain that what I am doing, Rupali. You have a hobby of gardening, but you cannot take care of water if you are going somewhere out. And every day, if you don't water your plants, you feel that today I missed the watering. So you feel a little bit guilty also. So that kind of thoughts hampering to me, and continuously it was coming to my mind that what best I can do. Can I automate this thing so that everything will be taken care of that automation? So what I did that I implemented a drip irrigation, not just a drip irrigation, it's automated drip irrigation in my garden. I literally hunt for it, and after final deciding almost I think after 1 month I chopped down all my plan and I implemented that automated drip irrigation in my house. This video will show you how to automate the watering system for your garden. Even if you stay in a flat or you stay in a bungalow system, you can implement this automated watering system so that your plants will get precise water and your plants will be healthy. Isn't it interesting? Do you want to see it? Come with me. So this is my garden, and you can see that there are total 15 pots are there, and it's not a big balcony, it's very small balcony. So this is the automated timer which I was telling you about. So to implement the automated watering system in your garden, you will need this Elitech automated water timer. I purchased this from Amazon. The cost of this was 2,900, and this coupling came with the package, and this part also came with the package. So only you just need to put this two cap and you just need to fix your water tap. So once you fix this, what else you need? You need one pipe and a long pipe. Measure the distance of your balcony, length of the pots and all, and you can buy a pipe of that much meter, and you just need to buy some couplings. These are the L bend, few are the straight one, and one is end cap is also you will require. And if you see that all these are the tiny red things, these are a 360-degree sprinkler drip irrigation. To show you, See, these are the studs. These are the studs that you can fix it in the pot, and these are the sprinklers. These are the 360-degree sprinklers, and these are the small pipe. You just need to fix it here, and then this small pipe will go directly to your main line. This is your main line, so it will go directly to the main line, and that main line you can fix it on wall with this clamp. This way you can install it. And now I will show you the water timer. So how this timer runs, it needs only 2 battery cells, and it will last you for almost 1 year, so you don't need to replace it very often. And in 2 battery cells it will work fantastically. It saves lot of battery also, because now you can see that it is off mode. If I want to start it, I just need to press this button. See, now it's on. Now you can see that the time is 16:24 and start time is 18. What does it mean, start time? Start time means the timer will start the watering exactly at 18, and how long the timer will be? It's for 2 minutes. And how long and how often? It's for 12 hours. So even every after 12 hours it will be on. See, just now I was explaining you the timer gets off. So, and next irrigation is 1 hour, means as it is calculating 16:24, so next irrigation is after 1 hour. After 12 hours it will again give water to all your plants for 2 minutes. So this is the automated way. Now if I want to do a manual way, say suppose you are trying something and you want to check that whether the water is there or not, so you can just do the manual thing. So I am showing you the manual one. On manual, by default it takes 10 minutes, but we don't need 10 minutes time, because in 10 minutes you will give overwatering. We don't want that. So I will keep only for 1 minute and just press OK, and now the timer is started. Can you see this? This is the timer. So as I told you that it's a 360-degree sprinkler drip irrigation. So it will give all plants will get water for 1 minute. So it's up to you at how much time you want to give to your plants. See, all are working properly, and I have installed this 2 years back, and since it is working, isn't it interesting? See, now the timer goes off and the water stops. I will show you how to do that. I already fixed it up 2 years back, so I cannot show you how to fix it up. But I can tell you, it's not a rocket science to fix it up. It just needs some couplings and all, and you can fix it by yourself at home only. This is a 16 mm pipe, and this will act as your main pipeline, and this is your 4 mm pipe. So if you see this is your 4 mm pipe, and these are the connectors. So this is the straight connector, this is the corner connector. So these connectors are for the 16 mm pipe, and these are the small connector, and this kind of you will get it if you buy it online, or you can get it in any agriculture shop. You will get this thing. And this is the punch. You just need to punch the main pipeline, and then you can put this small pipe so that watering will go to your plants. And this end will go here, and on the second end you just need to fix this sprinkler. So like this. So So one goes here and this will go to your plant, and these are the two ends are covered. For these two ends, one will go to your tap and one will be having end cap. This way you need to fix it up. You can try it at your home and you will be tension free. You don't need to put water on daily basis, and you can travel anywhere in the world without worrying that who will watering to your plants. Just implement it. This was about my first inner voice. Give me your comment how you like it, and if you have any query you can contact me. You can just comment me. Definitely I will try my best to reply you. And if you like this video, you can share it, subscribe it and like it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.